The Lion's Ledger, Semiconductor Edition. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
And we're announcing several things. We announced a big partnership with SK Group, where our companies are going to enter into a business partnership where we do over $500 billion of business with each other, whether it's consumption of and purchasing of memories or selling AI supercomputers to them as they scale out 2 gigawatts of AI factories. There's a whole bunch of other announcements. We're investing $1 billion in Naver to help. They're the Korea's leading AI cloud. They're going to scale up in Korea up to they're going to scale up 200 megawatts, I think it is, and they're going to expand across the world.
Let's break it down. NVIDIA is trading at $219, up 11% this year. Earnings drop August 26th, and the consensus revenue estimate is $93 billion for a single quarter. But the real story isn't the earnings, it's CUDA, which is the Compute Unified Device Architecture. In other words, it's a parallel computing platform and programming model created by NVIDIA. Think about that. NVIDIA built the software layer that nearly every AI model in the world runs on. When a company builds on CUDA, they don't switch. That's a lock. That's a moat. 36 of 37 analysts say buy. Average target, $309. The AI build-out keeps going, and NVIDIA keeps getting paid.
AI isn't slowing down. It's accelerating. And intelligence only moves as fast as data can. From fueling the world's economy, to simulating millions of products before one is ever made, to AI agents orchestrating global movement in real time, to even protecting our largest living ecosystem. Micron Memory and Storage, delivering the performance needed to power the next generation of AI data centers.
The second company we're going to look at, Micron, is a beast, for real, for real. It hit an all-time high of $1,213 on June 25th. Today, it's at around $898. That's a 26% drop in 6 weeks. But let's put things in perspective. But last quarter, EPS came in at $25.11, beating estimates by 24%. A year ago, EPS was $1.91. Micron makes the high bandwidth memory that goes inside every AI GPU, including NVIDIA's. The stock fell, the business didn't. Next earnings, September 22nd. Analyst average target, $1,508. The question is whether you believe the AI memory cycle has legs or if the sell-off is telling you something the earnings report isn't. I know what I think. However, I'm curious to see what's on your mind. Higher reward usually means higher risk. Which company would you choose and why?